In this video, I will show you how to do the tab glitch in Roblox. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you're going to want to do is just launch the Roblox player, and once you've got that launched, you just want to go ahead and jump into any Roblox experience. So what I'm going to do is just jump into Blox Fruits, so let's go ahead and load up the experience. So here we are in game. Now to actually do the tab glitch, all you need to do is come up to the top left hand corner of the screen, and where you've got the Roblox logo, so not the menu but the actual logo in the top left hand corner, if you hold down your right mouse button on the logo and drag it, as you can see it's going to freeze up the game and tab glitch again. When you let go of your right mouse button, the game is going to resume, and you can just repeat this to do the tab glitch. So that's how to do the tab glitch in Roblox. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.